Hi, Matt.
I'm Michelle. Today we are going to make dairy-free Chex Mix, but with yummy stuff, not just what you get when you buy it in a store in the bag. All right, so let's get started. We're going to do 3 cups of Corn Chex. Pop your box and gently scoop. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, you.
Me.
Rice.
I recommend you pop the box.
Just makes it easier.
I didn't give a real good cut.
Not at all. That's funny. All right. And we're going to try it with Honey Nut Chex Mix because
They're nice and sweet.
it was so sweet. And so we thought,
Nice, savory, sweet.
all right,
And Michelle made this up. She decided to do the honey nut instead of the wheat. We're not the biggest fan of the wheat Chex.
that's always the last thing I eat out of the bag. So I figure if I'm going to make it, I'm going to make it the way I like it. All right, we're also going to do 1 cup of mixed nuts. I don't like peanuts, so I buy the nuts that don't have peanuts in it. My recommendation, it says a cup. Maybe a cup and a couple. Yep, we've got our nuts. We're gonna do some, like a cup of
Pretzels.
pretzels. It calls for bagel chips. We had a hard time finding bagel chips, so we found these little, they're little bruschetta bites. Okay, you know what? I'm down to try something different, right? Says do about a cup, okay. There we go. All looks good, right? Boom. This is what our stuff looks like so far. Very nice. Now we're gonna take our butter. Honey to our butter. We're gonna measure out 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Oh, we could do this, I guess. Sorry, guys. Okay. 2 teaspoons of seasoned salt. Okay. I'm going to pass this to you. We're also going to do 1.5 teaspoons of garlic. 1.5. Okay. Oh, thank you. And this one, you're going to do 1 teaspoon of garlic, or I'm sorry, you're going to do 1 teaspoon of onion. Okay guys, and I'm going to whisk it all together because I want it to really be well whisked. Okay? Next, watch this. Now you can't see what I just did. Oh, by the way, a lot of the salt will stay stuck. So give it a good little scrape. Look at all that extra yummy that comes out. Okay. And then honestly, I guess you can just take a fork, mix it up very gently.
Oh, fork.
You're good. Spoon, fork, spatula, whatever you want.
You want to go ahead and preheat the oven?
The oven is going to be set to 250 degrees. This is going to be a slow bake. It's good. It's going to require you to go and check on it every 15 minutes, but it'll be worth it, I promise. Do you mind if I?
Please do.
Just because I want to make sure you really want to get it, so maybe a spatula would actually work better. So you can see I'm trying to, all that stuff will sink to the bottom. You want it all off the sides So when you're doing it, really scoop. Okay? Alright. Here's my pan. You wanna just take it? No, just take it and dump it out. Okay, he did that. Now I'm gonna show you. Can you see inside this dish? Do you see all that salty goodness? But once I do this, I want to show you why I did, and you're gonna see.
No calories count holidays.
Now I'm gonna take this extra. You see droplets. I see yumlets. Every last drop, guys. Alright. Take it. Spread it out on your baking pan.
Okay, I think the oven's ready.
Pop it in your oven, 250 degrees. Set your timer for 15 minutes. We'll be right back.
We're gonna boogie down tonight, yeah.
Alright, while that's going. Alright, so I'm going to address a little question that y'all might be having, which is why do I care to watch something about making Chex Mix? Recipe, it's on the back of the box. It's easy. We just thought maybe it would be fun to show you how quick and easy it actually is to make it. You can see the recipe on the back. You can go through and you can be like, yep, that's what I need. You can change the things that you want to put in it based off of that. But again, we just wanted you to see, look at how easy it was. It's not that expensive. And you can have a lot of it too. It's great. We just wanted to make sure that we let you all know that dairy-free is an option and it tastes just as good as the original. All right, everybody. So our timer just beeped. So we're gonna pull it out. It's been 15 minutes. Thank you, love. Just gonna use my spatula again. Just gonna kind of move it around. You want all of that butter, all that salt. Shh, tell the doctor. Yeah, right?
Yeah, I'd like to dig in it now. Burn, baby, burn.
But, I mean, this is why not make this at home? You can, I don't know if you guys experience this. When you buy it at the store, it's good, don't get me wrong. But you know what? I always find myself digging for those really salty pieces. I like the saucy.
I'll tell you another reason to make it at home. It smells great.
It is so good.
Man, by the time this is going to be done, I'm going to be snarfing it down.
Dinner! Just kidding. All right, popping it in for another 15. We're gonna do this a total of 4 times. So that was time number 1. Excuse me, honey. We're gonna do it 3 more times. We'll see you in a couple minutes. All right, everybody, it's been an hour. We're gonna take our Chex Mix out of the oven. And as you can see, I've laid some paper towels down. That's gonna absorb any extra. And honestly, if I can just shake it loose, I'm just gonna try and, if I can. Whoop.
Oh, I'll have to eat that one.
Yeah, it's gonna be very hot, silly. All right. I don't care about those. Watch your hands, please. Okay. I'm gonna put this here. I'm just gonna take my little thing, spread it out. Oops. Uh-oh, all this stuff is back. Just gonna go ahead, spread it out.
That's good.
Evenly. I swear, it tastes so good when you make it yourself. And again, why did we do this? Just to show you actually how easy it is and how you can kind of tweak it to have it be the way you want it to be.
I gotta say, the Honey Nut ones actually turned out really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How can you tell which one's a Honey Nut?
They've got a
How
little
about
bit more
this one?
sweet to them.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, look at that cashew.
Mm.
Ow, ow. Look at that with hot cashew.
So anyway, there you are, folks. We have for you dairy-free traditional Chex Mix. Traditional, but not, because it's dairy-free.
Our own blend.
I'm also going to tell you something else that I learned. You can microwave it if you want to, and that's what the directions on the boxes tell you. So they want to make it really quick and easy for you too. This is the way to go.
Yeah.
So crispy, so crunchy, all that buttery, salty
It
stuff.
won't roast it if you microwave it. It'll just kind of melt it on.
It'll turn mushy, I would think. I don't know. Never tried it. I like it crispy. I'm selling this version. So there you are, guys. Dairy-free Chex Mix. Make it your way.
Look down below. Subscribe, please. We have more videos, many of them dairy-free. Hit like, give us a comment, and let us know what you think of this.
That'd be great.
See you next time.
Bye, everybody.